We'll go and play there. Ciao.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning to all of you. All of you have got your French books?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So before beginning the class, let me just take your attendance. Today is what date? 23rd.
Ma'am, today 23.
23. Yes. Today is 23rd.
Bonjour, ma'am.
Bonjour. Bonjour. Okay, all of you
Good
just
morning,
call out
ma'am.
your names. Everybody just call out your names. Just randomly. Like starting with Vidushi Sharma.
Good morning,
Next.
everyone. I am Vidushi Sharma. I study in class 6A.
Beta, you don't have to give your introduction. I just want you to call out your name so that I can mark your attendance. Okay, very nice, very sweet. Next, after Vidushi.
Ma'am, Shalima Noor present.
Shalima Noor. Okay, next.
Ma'am, Shrey Kakkar present.
Shrey Kakkar. Next.
Ma'am, Ashmira Ali present.
Ashmira. Next.
Ma'am, Sonali present.
Sonali. All of you are from French only now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Vansh Mahajan present.
Vansh Mahajan. Next. Sanidhya Negi. Sanidhya Negi, are you not there in the class? Vishrut Singh, are you not there?
Ma'am, I am there. Sanidhya Negi is there.
Then, why are you not calling out your name? Sanidhya Negi, after him. Vishrut. Vishrut beta, are you not there?
Good
No,
morning, ma'am.
Open your camera. Kushagra Yadav and Agriya Singh are not there. Vansh Mahajan, beta, open your camera. Yes.
Ma'am, when we have go to store, we have said to give the French book, but they didn't give the French book.
Why? What did they say?
Ma'am, they said there is French book in the books only, but we searched it, but there was no French book. Yes, ma'am, there is no French book.
In the book set, you didn't get it.
No, ma'am.
Just tell them that many students have not got it. Many have got it, but there are students who've not got it also in the book set. Did you check the bill? Did you check the bill? Have they charged you for it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
No, so
ma'am.
you should just go and talk to them very clearly that we have not found the book. Why will we come again for the second book? Like for the duplicate copy, if we would have got it in the first go, then why would we come again? Yes, Vidushi?
Ma'am, which one is the French book?
Both of them. One is workbook, one is the textbook.
Okay.
Better just go and talk to them and tell them that you've charged for it and you've not even given in the book set.
And my father is a doctor, so he is busy. That's why he can't go up. That's
Yes,
why
it's difficult. I understand. It becomes very difficult to go. Okay, Vansh Mahajan, open your camera, and Aryan Agarwal. Aryan Agarwal, show me your face. Yes. All of you sit with your cameras on. So we have 9 students in all in the class. Did I share the PDF with you? Have I shared the PDF with the ones who didn't have the book in the last class also?
No, ma'am, you have not shared the PDF.
Okay, do one thing. One of you, beta Vidushi, you know how to make a PDF?
Yes, ma'am.
Have we started any chapter? We've started the first chapter, right?
Ma'am, from this book,
Yes.
ma'am, I am not there in the first class. Actually.
Who was there before it? Who has attended my class before? No one. Looks like no one has.
Ma'am, I have. Ma'am, I.
Okay, do one thing now, Vidushi. Beta, make a PDF of chapter 1 and send it on the WhatsApp group.
Ma'am, but my father is at not at home. He has gone, and the PDF is in his phone only. My mother
Okay.
didn't have.
Anyone else who has the book?
Ma'am, which book?
French book, beta, French book.
No, ma'am.
Okay, now just give me 1 minute. I'll make the PDF and send it on the class group. All of you just be patient and sit for a while. It will take a little time. Okay, beta, all of you, check your class group now. It's a very lengthy chapter. In which I have not sent the question answers. Only the chapter has been covered here. The exercises have not been covered. The chapter name is not clear. I'll just send it again.
Ma'am, less solution.
Les salutations. I'll tell you how we speak it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have called you day before yesterday. Ma'am, you have said that.
What have I said? The name of the chapter. Yes, beta, say Navdeep. What are you saying? Okay, not saying. Fine. The name of the chapter is Les Salutations. Clear? It is not clear in the PDF, so I have again sent a picture to make this chapter name clear to you. Everybody, please write it in your copies. Lesson. Now, what is a lesson called in French? Lesson we call it in English lesson, right? Lesson 1, lesson 2. But in French, we call it leçon. Everybody just say what we call it.
Lesson.
Leçon. Very nice. Leçon. And what is one? One is called un. So, we are going to start leçon 1.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Very nice. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we have to make the copy one side plain.
No,
or
no plain, both side ruled. And whatever I'm going to teach you in class, whatever I will write on the blackboard, you are going to write everything in your copies. Clear? Okay. Then we have Leçon 1. Now, what is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is Les. The word is L-E-S, right? But we do not call it les. We call it les. See, whenever we learn any new language, all the languages have got their own rules. All the languages have got their own principles, structures, and patterns to be followed. Okay, suppose if you go and learn Sanskrit, so there also you have to learn a lot of rules. There are a lot of structures and patterns that you have to follow to form the language to speak it correctly. Similarly, in French, we have to follow many rules. Now, what is the rule that we come across in the name of the chapter only? What is that rule? The rule is, see, the first word is L-E-S, but we call it lay. We are not calling it, if it was English, we would have called it less, right? Less. We would read it like this. But rule number 1 of French is that the consonants that lie in the end of any word, we do not give them their sound. What do? We keep them silent.
Mojito, ma'am. When ma'am, there a name written Mojito, but we call it Mojito.
Very nice. Yes. See, you must have seen, I'm sure now that you know that it's called a mojito, that there are people who make mistake by saying I will drink mojito, right? So it's not mojito. J is silent over there. That is called a mojito.
In the holiday, I have learned some of the French by the help of Google.
Very nice. Very good. So see, you must have come across a few rules, right? That what is to be kept silent and what sound we give to anything. Okay. Then next, what are we saying? We are saying lay. Now, rule number 1 is, everybody write it in your copies, that consonants in the end must be kept silent. Consonants that come in the end of any word. Now, S is what? S is a consonant. So that is why we are keeping it silent.
Ma'am, can you repeat the rule number
The
1?
rule is, the consonants that come in the end of any word are silent, should be kept silent. See, now here all of you can see the board. Suppose the word is L-E-S. So S is what? Can you all see, children? Is it clear, or shall I write a little bigger?
Ma'am, it is clear.
Ma'am, it is clear.
S is what? A consonant. So we
Yes, ma'am.
call it lay. What is the pronunciation? We are giving
Lay.
it the sound lay,
Lay.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next, the next word is salutation. In English, what do we call it? We call it salutation, isn't it? In English, we call it salutation. But in
Yes, ma'am.
French, T-I-O-N sound. In French, see, the word is salutation. In French, T-I-O-N sound is sion. So it becomes salu, S-A-L-U, salutation. Salutation. Clear to everyone?
Ma'am, we have to write this in the copy.
Yes, you can write it in the copy. You will write the pronunciation also. What is lay? L-E-S. It's called lay. And lay simply stands for, what is the meaning of lay? Lay simply stands for the. The meaning of lay is the. And salutation is what? Greetings. So the chapter's name is The Greetings. Okay, I have told you the pronunciation. I have told you the translation in English. Les salutations, the greetings.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we can only see the half board.
Now, can you see the full board?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we call the as the.
No, we call it lay. Here, we call
Ma'am,
it lay.
the.
There is no word the in French. The becomes lay. L-E-S. The comes in 3 forms, children. Now, this is also again you have to see. You have come across this word la and la. You've heard of that hotel? Le Meridian. We call it Le Meridian. How many of you have heard? So, the word there is L-E. That's a French word. It's not called le. In French, it is called le. le. And this is what? La. And the plural form of le and la becomes le. So what is it? Le, la, and le. Three of them. What? Three of them mean the. What is the meaning of it? La, la, and le means the. The. Clear? Now you would wonder, ma'am, why is it coming in three different forms? In English, whenever we want to use the, we use it like this only. But why in French, we have three forms of the? That is also another rule or another structure of French language. Now, every language, like in Hindi also, if we talk about Hindi, we have genders for everything. For every little thing, like suppose if I talk about a pen, in English, it's neuter gender, it has no gender. But in Hindi, it has. Mera pen gir gaya, khatam ho gaya. Meri pencil gir gayi, meri pencil khatam ho gayi, kho gayi. So, pen is masculine and pencil is feminine gender in Hindi language. Similarly, in French language, everything has got a gender. Everything. From a needle to a mountain. We have distinguished or divided things gender-wise. Now, see, the also depends. Depending on the gender of our noun, we put this the. We place the. Before masculine things, we use the as le. If suppose, if I talk about a pen according to French language is masculine gender. So if I want to say the pen, I will say le stylo. Pen is called a stylo. Le stylo. If I want to say anything that is feminine gender, eraser. Now see, this eraser is what? Feminine. It is called gomme. So if I want to say the eraser, I will say la gomme. What will I say? La gomme. And anything that comes in plural, whether it is masculine or it is feminine, but it is more than one, we call it, if we have to place the before it, we will place les. Okay, we are going to put les before it. Write it down. Write down all these three different the.
Ma'am, it is LE. Ma'am, after LE, comma, ma'am, what is it is written L. Okay, ma'am, LA.
Right. Ma'am, is it right?
Vidushi Bachche, I can't see your work, but what you've written, I think would be right only. If you've seen, yes, la, la, and lay, yes. Now let's move ahead. All of you, please open the PDF. Now, greetings. When I talk about greetings, what are greetings? Greetings are how you meet somebody, how you wish somebody. Okay? So, whenever you say hi, hello, what are the meeting? What are the, when you meet somebody for the first time in the day, how do you wish that person? Or when you depart, when you leave somebody, when you depart from that person, how you wish, how you respond to different moods. Suppose I'm asking you, how are you? I'm asking about your well-being, and you're good. You will ask me, sorry, you will reply or react in a different way. And suppose if you're not well, if you're very upset or in a bad mood or in a bad state, like you're sick, you're ill, you will respond differently to that. So in this chapter, we are going to learn all this, how to respond, how to reply in different moods. Good? Got it? Okay. Now, let me read it out in front of you. Everybody look into the PDFs. Leçon 1, les salutations. Dialogue 1. Salut, S-A-L-U-T, is salut. Salut means hi or hello. When you meet your friends, when you meet somebody who is in informal relation with you, you say salut. If suppose you will meet me, you will not say salut. You'll say bonjour. And you'll meet your friends, you'll say salut. Second, salut, je m'appelle Manuel. Je m'appelle. Okay. If I say je m'appelle Neha, do you understand what I mean to say? Je m'appelle Neha. Just make a guess what I want to say.
That my name is Neha.
Very nice. Very good. Je m'appelle Neha. Okay. Ashmira, how will you tell your name?
Jamatapel Ashmira.
Je m'appelle. Vidushi, how are you going to tell your name?
Jamapel Vidushi.
Very nice. Now, je m'appelle means I call myself. Je m'appelle does not mean my name is, it means I call myself. So, salut, I call myself Manuel. Now you want to write down the translation of these dialogues, beta? I'm sure you want to write them down. Otherwise, how will you remember them? Just write it in your copies. You can take down your copy, open your copies and write down the translation of each and every dialogue.
Excuse ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, do you know in last class Parth know everything because he was when I talk him at the night and he was telling me that he translated it from the Google.
Very nice.
Ma'am, what we have to write?
You have to write down the translation of the first dialogue. The first dialogue is salut. Salut means hi or hello. Second dialogue is salut, je m'appelle Manuel. Hi, I call myself Manuel.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of a toy comment
Beta, we'll come on to that. Don't worry, we'll come to that. Okay, written this much. All right. Now coming on to the third dialogue. The third dialogue is et toi. What is the pronunciation? Et toi. It's not et toi. Students often make a mistake by saying toy. It's toi. What is it? Everybody say
Tua.
toi. Et
Tua.
toi. Et toi means and you. And you. Et.
And
Et in French is and. Et toi. Comment tu t'appelles? Comment. Now the next word which we read out in English as comment. In French, it is pronounced as comment. Comment. Write down the pronunciation. Et toi and you. Comment tu t'appelles? How do you call yourself? Comment means how.
Tua means thank and you.
Yes, and you. How do you call yourself? See, if I say, I am Neha. Okay. Hi, I call myself Neha. And you, how do you call yourself? It's like asking like this.
What is salute?
Salut means hi or hello. Done? Written the third dialogue, everyone?
Yes,
Et toi,
ma'am.
et toi, comment tu t'appelles? How do you call yourself? The fourth dialogue, this boy then says, Je m'appelle Anish. So how does he call himself? By what name does he call himself? He says, Je m'appelle Anish. I call myself Anish. Yes? Okay. Then coming on to the next dialogue. See children, this was between two boys. Okay? This was an informal conversation. Informal dialogue between the two. Now let's come down. There we'll come across a formal dialogue. It is a formal conversation wherein how they wish, let's just check it out. The first dialogue, bonjour madame. Madame means madam. Bonjour madame. Bonjour
Ma'am,
means
can you
good morning or good
the
day.
fourth dialogue one more time?
Yes?
Ma'am, the fourth dialogue one more time.
Fourth dialogue was Je m'appelle Anish, which means I call myself Anish. I call myself Anish. Written. Now the next dialogue, see how these people are wishing each other at the reception. The man goes and meets a lady at the reception. Now he says, bonjour madame, good day madam. So the ma'am replies, bonjour monsieur. Now monsieur stands for Mr. and Sir, both. How we address married ladies in French? We address them as madame. Somebody who is married, like in English, we say Mrs. In French, we say madame. So there are two translations of madame, Mrs. and madam. And similarly, there are two translation of monsieur. Now, can you see this word? How would you say in English? Something like monsieur, right? But how do we pronounce it in French? We call it monsieur, monsieur, monsieur. Okay, write down the pronunciation. Bonjour, monsieur. Written?
Ma'am,
Then the third dialogue is excusez-moi. Vous appelez comment? Everybody look into the PDF and see how I'm reading.
it means it is, excuse me, madam.
Yes, no, not madam. He's just said excusez-moi, means excuse me. Excusez-moi. Vous appelez comment? Now, when you have to ask formally somebody's name, informally we say comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Like in dialogue number 3 in the above part. But here, dialogue number 3 is excusez-moi. Excuse me. Vous appelez comment? Vous appelez comment? Vous appelez comment?
Come on.
See, it's vous appelez. Vous appelez comment?
Vous appelez comment?
Very nice, very good. Vous appelez comment? How do you call yourself? Vous appelez comment? Then the fourth dialogue that comes is Je m'appelle Sophie Delpa. Et vous? Like there, he said, et toi?
He said that I call myself Sophie.
Yes. Delpa. Yes. Et vous. Now, informally, it was in the above dialogue, et toi. T-O-I. But formally, it will be et vous and you. Written? Then in